Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M22 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer, and it doesn't really matter on which of those three modes you will be. Just tap on this three dots icon and tap on the settings. Now let's enter block numbers, and as you can see, this is our blacklist. Right now it is empty. We can add a phone number manually right here in this section, but we can also add it from the recents or contacts. So obviously after tapping on contacts, we will be transferred to our contact list, so we can mark as many contacts as we want to, and just tap on done, and as you can see, it will immediately appear right here. Of course, as I said, we can manually enter the number here and tap on this plus icon simply, and it will appear here. What's more, we've got the option block unknown or private numbers, so after activating that, your device will actually block all unknown calls. Of course, you can turn that off whenever you want to, and if you would like to unblock the number, just tap on this minus icon to turn it off, to turn off the blacklist. So actually this is it. This is how to create a blacklist, how to block a number in your Samsung Galaxy M22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.